Let's start painting hair using a cheap watercolor palette by making the base layer. We always create a flat color first and let it dry completely. Also, the character himself is an original character that I made, so I want his hair to be dark brown, almost black, just to see how far I can go with this. So I decided to make a second wash so that this base layer will already be dark. So now we're making the hair strands with the liner brush, and the real challenge here is that the hair is straight down and I want it to be very detailed. So to make it detailed, I'm gonna add lots of hair strands. The more we add hair strands, the more realistic you'll look. Now that I made a base of the hair strands, I'm gonna take a brown color and make a wash all over his head and over the hair strands. Of course you can add deeper shadows now, but I'll add them later. And when I'm done with the shadows, I want to add another wash just because this brown is still too bright for me. So I'll add more brown paint to the brush and apply it again. Keep in mind that the next layers are gonna be highlights, so that's why you should focus on the base layers the most and make sure you're satisfied with them. The base layers and the preparation for the next steps are very crucial for the overall results, since we're working on building light and shadow together. And now that it's completely dry, I'm gonna fix the hair strands and make them darker. Same method and same small brush. I'm making more hair strands again and again because my palette has bright colors, so I have to keep layering, but it depends on the results that you want and the materials that you use. Now you can add shadows on spots like his bangs and below hair sections to make it more realistic and 3D. And it's okay if the paint smudges a bit, because if it's blurry, it's more realistic and natural. So don't be afraid, let the color flow. And lastly, it's the finishing touches, so if you need to add more depth below the hair or certain spots, feel free to do so. You can even add some hair strands flying around to make it more realistic. Just have fun with it. And when it's done, I fix some areas and even add white color or white ink, for example, to fix the hair strands. And that's it. Always feel free to add more details that can benefit into your own style.